a leading manufacturer, supplier and exporter of metal cutting allied technologies for the last 14 years. Indotech is a company committed to innovations and delivering perfection. Just as a gem cannot be polished without friction, nor a man perfected without trials, Indotech too has met the challenges thrown its way head-on and led themselves and their associates to a better tomorrow, proving itself with a zeal for excellence. Ever since its inception in 2004, Indotech has become one of the leading manufacturers of metal cutting solutions, working towards its goal with vigor and dynamism to achieve maximum client satisfaction. The company has at all times strived for perfection. Indotech has always utilized the finest of raw materials, strong and credible workforce to produce distinctive designs and manufacture modern machinery with best quality parameters. As far as product is concerned, durability, functionality, sturdiness and consistency are some of the omnipresent qualities. Indotech offers a wide range of product line, including a spectrum of product such as double column range, that is numerically controlled, fully automatic, semi-automatic and manual. Apart from the vertical bandsaw and mitring bandsaw machines, the circular saws is our latest development. Along with fulfilling the needs of the local Indian market, the company has also carved its niche in the international market with Germany, Middle East, Russia, the USA, Spain and Portugal being the major business associates. Working with the clients as partners in these countries, the company has always looked forward for opportunities to broaden its field of vision. With the basic ideology of being uniquely different, Indotech has experimented and developed a distinctive range of metal cutting solutions catering to sectors which are the most important pillars of economic development. The company has served sectors ranging from aerospace to oil and gas to automobile, steel, research and development, casting, heavy engineering, power, construction, etc. Spread on an area of 3 lakh square feet in the heart of the country and in the commercial capital of Madhya Pradesh. Indotech is a company with 1 lakh square feet of plant space where the business and production works together. The team believes in total independency and therefore supplements its manufacturing by cutting its own raw material, processing it, and finally painting the parts with shot blasting facility, making them more efficient. Equipped with the computerized inventory control system and ERP, the organization aims at optimal results with greatest clients' contentment. They are empowered with a team of highly qualified engineers and skilled technocrats delivering their best. Quality check is also a very crucial part of the manufacturing for the team at Indotech. Each part used can be identified individually. That's the commitment to precision and accuracy. With its commitment and promise to protect the environment, the organization has readily taken steps to nourish nature with environment-friendly efforts of sustainable development such as layered ventilation, heat recovery and use of energy-efficient illuminates. Beginning its journey from nothingness, the company's path has been marked with accomplishments and achievements. We are Indotech.